Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to check your exam center using your hall ticket number. First, locate your official hall ticket or admit card, which is your entry pass. Next, find the unique hall ticket number clearly printed on this document. This number is crucial for accessing your center details. Finally, navigate to the official examination board website, ensuring it is the correct and secure portal for your specific exam. Once on the official website, look for a clearly labeled section such as Admit Card, Hall Ticket, or Exam Center Information. Click on this relevant link to proceed to the next step. You might then need to select your specific examination or course from a list of available options. This ensures you are accessing the correct information for your particular test. Now, carefully enter your unique hall ticket number into the designated field on the web page. It is very important to double-check the entered number for any typographical errors or mistakes, as even one incorrect digit can prevent access. After confirming accuracy, submit the information to retrieve your exam center details, which should then be displayed on your screen. Once your exam center details are displayed, immediately note down the full address and your specific reporting time. It is wise to verify these details against any information you might have on your physical hall ticket. Lastly, plan your travel to the center well in advance, considering traffic and potential delays, to ensure a stress-free arrival on exam day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.